In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the list ID in ClickUp. This is really useful if you're working with automations, integrations, or APIs, and you need a specific identifier for one of your lists. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own ClickUp workspace. Start by opening ClickUp and going to the list you're interested in. Make sure you're in the list view for that particular list, not in a different view like board or calendar. You want to actually see the tasks in a list format. This just makes it easier to confirm that you're on the right page before you grab the ID. Once you're in the right list view, look towards the very top of the page on the left-hand side. Next to the star icon that lets you favorite the view, you'll see the name of your project or list area with a small drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down. This opens a small menu related to that list and its settings. When that menu appears, look for the 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options icon. It might be on the right side of the menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open another set of options specifically for that list. In this options menu, you'll see an item that says Copy Link. Go ahead and click on Copy Link. What this does is copy the direct URL for that list to your clipboard. You won't see anything change on the page, but the link is now ready to be pasted. Next, open a new browser tab or window. Click into the address bar at the top and paste the link you just copied. You can do this with your usual paste shortcut or by right-clicking and choosing paste. You should now see the full ClickUp URL for that list in the address bar. Now, look closely at that URL. Move your cursor to the very end of the link and find the last /. Everything that appears after that last / is your list ID. Click, drag, and highlight just those characters at the end of the URL. That sequence of letters and numbers is the unique ID for your list. Once it's highlighted, you can copy it and use it wherever you need. In an